Hello, I am Cole Edge here to show you how to use SnapFit for Linden Homes. The first step is always to res your add-on and position it in the way you want it to look. I've used an example provided here by Belisaria Homes and Gardens, and I've already snapped it into how I want it to look. Once you have it how you would like it, drag the creator script and wait for the message touch to begin. So, right click, edit, then you'll see the config generator script. You're going to drag it over, and then you are going to close the edit box, click on the add-on, and choose scan. After a few moments, you will see which of the homes you can use for your route position. The first option is basically the one you're always going to want. Select one, and when it pops up, you're going to hit finish. Now, if you look in the edit box, you will, for the content, you will see that that script has now been deleted. So what we're going to do now is copy the text between the stars and choose copy. You're going to open your config note card and paste it in there and click save. And now you're going to drag your config note card into the content tab of your add-on. And then for the add-on mover script, whenever you receive it, you will have it as copy and transfer. You're going to want to uncheck the transfer box, or else it will give you an error. So now we're going to drag over the add-on mover script, and you will see this is ready to position. Please use the provided HUD or reser to position. The next thing you're going to need to do is go to the General tab, and here you're going to need to put a description that will be used later. It's what tells the HUD or the reser box what item they're communicating with. So here we're just going to call this Havana and hit enter, and it'll save it. So in this next position, we are going to use a reser for the setup for the customer. So you're going to right click on your add-on, and you can either choose take or take copy. In this one, I'm going to use take, and you'll see it show up here in your inventory. So I am actually going to make just a regular param that we are going to use for the reser box. Place whatever name you want here, and just remember your description has to match. So I had it as Havana before. I'm going to set it as Havana. So now, go to the Content tab. You're going to drag over your config note card that you set up before, and then you're going to use your reser script. As before, right click on it, go to Properties, turn off the transfer option. And then you're going to drag the reser script into the box. So this one is reversed, but it will say ready to scan when it's ready. This is where you're going to drag over the add-on that you created for it earlier. And at this point, you're ready. And if you were going to send this to your customer, you would just right click and take it. But you can also do a test to make sure that it works. So you're going to click your box, click scan. You'll see the home that it found. Then you can choose res add-on. And you'll see that it res the add-on and it popped it into place. And that will make it very easy for your customers, and you'll have less support requests. There's also an option to use a HUD. For the HUD, you would basically be about the same setup. So what we're going to do is move this one a little off place like a customer had set it up. Now I'm going to make what would be a HUD brim. Drag my config script into it. And then you go over here to your HUD controller. Go to properties and also turn off transfer as you've done on the others. And make sure that your description field matches. And you can come into here and drag in the HUD controller script. Now, for your customer, if this was in a HUD script, they would click it and choose scan, pick the home, and then click position. And as you see, it just pops the add-on right into position. And you're set. Hopefully that explains everything you need to have to use the SnapFit script. If you have any questions, you can always contact me in World, Cole Edge, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.